If you're a power user looking for a Linux distribution that truly puts you in charge, Arch Linux might just be the answer. But is it really as flexible and customizable as they say? Let's dive in and find out. Arch Linux is known for its rolling release model, meaning you always get the latest updates without waiting for a new version. This distribution is all about minimalism and user control, which is great for experienced users who want to build their system from the ground up. The installation process can be a bit daunting. It's not your typical point-and-click setup. You'll need to be comfortable with the command line as it requires manual configuration. What's particularly striking about Arch is its extensive documentation known as the Arch Wiki. It's a treasure trove of information, but it can also be overwhelming for newcomers. The package management system, Pacman, is efficient and straightforward, allowing you to install, update, and manage software with ease. However, the lack of a graphical installer might turn off users who prefer a more visual approach. Overall, Arch caters to those who want flexibility and a deep understanding of their OS. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, Arch Linux offers incredible customization and a bleeding-edge experience, which is perfect for those who want to tailor their system to their exact needs. The community is active, and you'll find plenty of support through forums and the wiki. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The steep learning curve can be a significant hurdle for beginners, and the rolling release model may introduce instability if you're not careful with updates. Additionally, the lack of official support means you're largely on your own if something goes wrong. Those who prefer a more user-friendly experience might find better options elsewhere, like Ubuntu or Fedora. In conclusion, Arch Linux is an excellent choice for power users who thrive on customization and control. If you're willing to invest the time to learn and manage your system, it can be incredibly rewarding. But if you're looking for a hassle-free experience, you might want to consider other distributions. Overall, it's worth a try if you're ready for the challenge.